Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has been creating waves in the wearable tech space. Garmin has always been a major player in the fitness and smartwatch market, but recent developments have got everyone wondering, could the Garmin Forerunner 970 be launching before the 975? Let's break it down. Garmin has yet to make an official statement, but there's something brewing behind the scenes, and it has caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and fitness buffs alike. Over on Garmin's Taiwanese website, a new extended warranty campaign recently popped up for a Forerunner model that doesn't even exist yet. Sounds suspicious, right? But it's also incredibly exciting because this hints at something new coming from Garmin. Could this be the Forerunner 970? Or is Garmin teasing a new model altogether? Now, there's more to this mystery. Garmin has at least 6 new devices currently registered with the FCC, Federal Communications Commission. While most of these are likely behind-the-scenes updates, one particular model has caught everyone's eye, the FCC ID PH04951. The buzz surrounding this ID is that it could be linked to a new fitness wearable, and many believe it could be the elusive Forerunner 970. To give some context, Garmin rolled out the Forerunner 255 and Forerunner 955 models last year, replacing their older counterparts, the Forerunner 245 and Forerunner 945. These models have been a hit, but the market is always thirsty for new tech. So, a few years down the line, Garmin introduced the Forerunner 265 and Forerunner 965, which have been on the market for about 2 years. In smartwatch terms, that's almost ancient history. And guess what? It's about time for an upgrade. Initially, tech enthusiasts speculated that Garmin would follow their typical naming convention, and we would see the Forerunner 275 and Forerunner 975 models. In fact, rumors have been swirling that the Forerunner 975 is set for release later this year. However, this new extended warranty campaign is throwing a wrench in those predictions. Could Garmin be skipping ahead and surprising everyone with the Forerunner 970 instead? It's certainly a wild twist, and if I had to take a guess, the Forerunner 970 might be a more compact version of the 975. Think of it as the little sibling that packs a punch but in a sleeker, more refined form. This could mean it's lighter, has a fresh design, or maybe even comes with features that make it stand out from the competition. As for the Forerunner 975, don't worry, it's not off the table just yet. It's still possible Garmin could release it shortly after the 970 or even at the same time. Garmin likes to keep us on our toes. So, what does this all mean for the future of Garmin's wearable lineup? Well, for now, there's no concrete information on specs, images, or pricing for the Forerunner 970, but there are plenty of breadcrumbs to follow. From the warranty campaign to the mysterious FCC registration, all signs point to the Forerunner 970 being the next big thing to hit the market. Garmin is definitely up to something, and it's looking like we won't have to wait too long to find out what that is. To wrap things up, while we don't know for sure what's coming, it's clear that Garmin is making moves, and the Forerunner 970 could very well be the next hot release. With the 975 possibly following close behind, the competition in the fitness and smartwatch market is about to heat up. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned because when Garmin finally reveals all the details, we'll be here to break it down for you. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, keep an eye on the trends. There's more to come. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.